on my way to the grocery store. Last minute decision to cook out for the 4th of July. We are going to my son's house this evening. He is going to be doing the cooking on the grill, hopefully. So I'm going to go get some meat and stuff to throw on the grill, and I think I'm going to throw together some, just some quick and simple things. He's going to do a lot of the cooking, so I'll try to vlog a little bit while I'm there. It's just going to be the immediate family. I might pull out the camera. You never know. Hi, baby. Look at that pretty girl. I wanted to show you the chickens. Got some fancy chickens. This is the chicken farm I was telling you about. I don't see them fancy ones. They're over there. What you doing, Miss Holly? What you doing, Miss Holly? She's the sweetest thing ever. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. She's the chicken rancher. Huh. Oh, here they are. They're down here. I want to show you these some fancy chickens here. Look at this. I want you to look at them fancy chickens. Let me kind of hone in on that. Not you, girl. Look at that. What's going on with them things? Look at that fancy dew on top of their head. Can you see that? Listen. He has like a chicken farm here. I'm not really sure. Hi, babes. Hi, baby. Look how pretty she is. She's so sweet. Real fancy stuff here. This is what I get to look at and smell. There you go. Look at that. And you don't even wave at the camera. How rude. So this is all our land. I love it. There's from where we had a tree cut down. There's one of my husband's trucks. Look at all the brush he's got in the back of it. Listen to those roosters. Of course, there's a car behind the barn. Parts car, you know how guys are. Gotta have a parts car. Like that big old thing there. We've tried to burn that, and might be next year if we can get that burned. Listen to them roosters. I walk away, and there they go. Isn't that neat? Hi, sweet pea. I hope she's got water. There, my friends. That's Dumb and Dumber. No, that's my babies. I think he's going to run me over. Alright, I can mouse the cat. Let's go talk to her. Burgers are looking good. This is in the kitchen with Brandon.
Brandon's backyard.
Brandon's backyard cooking. Stay tuned for more episodes. Oh, Lord. That's alright. No. Always a chunk that goes down in there. It's good. We got some jalapeno cheddar sausages, some hot dogs, burgers, chicken. Oh, you know what? You want to get the chicken? Oh, you got room for the chicken on the grill? You go. You go with your bad self. Oh. Got a little excited. That sounds good. And where's the sparkler action?
Yeah, I'm the only one sparkling. Those are like 95-cent sparklers, so...
Are they all gone?
Yes.
God.
Well, 'cause I don't know. 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 'Cause I don't know I was.
Party.
There we go.
Oh, wow, yeah.
There we go.
Bring the part out the window.
Very pretty.
Didn't really do anything. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
I don't know. Whooping you soon.
Oh, that's gonna be shooting that cheese out there. Looks good.
Nice little hot dogs on top of me.
Let's see what's- She's afraid to venture out. I said she's afraid to venture out.
I should have had him bring the thing over. I'm gonna chop this down.
So it's like, man, get used to it. You don't mind being on, do you, my vlog?
Huh?
Oh! I just stepped in a puddle of water.
It's because I
are you recording right now?
I forgot to turn off.
Yeah.
You're vlogging? Well, I already have alcohol, man, but yeah,
She already has one open.
I can have two. I'm in the kitchen with Sandy.
I want to show you something. I made these yesterday to take to Brandon's house for the cookout, which they're gone right now. Look at that. These are what you call the cucumbers with, I can't even think this morning. This is red wine vinegar. I use some sweet Vidalia onions, cucumbers, of course, lots of black pepper, and sugar. I gotta have a bite. They're gone. So, I got that chewed up. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm chewing, I'm sorry. And put another cucumber in there. That's the good thing when you make these. Ooh, that took my breath, that vinegar. It is so good. When you make this, I don't know if you've ever eaten these before, but they are absolutely so addicting. Here comes Daisy. Here comes my little cucumber hog. She loves cucumbers. Do you see her? See her? Look at that girl. I want to show you something. Watch. Look at this baby. Do you hear her crunching? She's so cute. She's the cutest thing ever. But you can, if you've never eaten these, you need to try this. I don't know if I've got a video on here, but I was going to vlog this part yesterday, but I was so tired. I ended up making some, what did I make? I made some homemade brownies. Oh my God, they were off the chain, off the chain. Daisy, get back. And I didn't really make anything else other than this. I did cut, I bought some chicken breast. But we done chicken breast on the grill, and it was so, so good. I'm getting off topic. Once you make this, as you eat it, you can add more cucumbers to it. That's the glory of making this deliciousness. If you haven't tried this, I will show you. Let me know, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want a video on it. I'll be happy to share this recipe with you. It is so good, so good. But everybody loved it. It's just such a, it's refreshing. It is absolutely refreshing, and something like this would be amazing to make and just put over your salad. You could put anything in there that you wanted. You could do like some fresh, green beans, fresh, you know, like the little jade beans. You could get some fresh asparagus and cut it up and put it in there too. Cauliflower would be amazing. We also make a cauliflower salad that is absolutely amazing. It's made from raw cauliflower. And it has like this vinaigrette dressing over it, and it's so good. And it's perfect for you, you know, people that are doing low carb or looking, you know, to watch your weight. I'm obviously not. I'm happy. I'm a happy fat girl. But I'm gonna get this put in there. And I've got some leftover brownies. They were amazing. Let me tell you how that recipe was born. I wanted to make some homemade brownies yesterday, and I got home and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have any oil. I've made homemade brownies many times before, and I've always used oils, but I kind of changed this recipe up a little bit, and it was, I'm telling you what, I'm going to do a video of that for you guys as well. It was so, so good. Look at those. Look how pretty those are. And these are so good. I'm going to put some more pepper in here. My dogs are like, oh, they're going crazy. My husband's out back mowing the grass. So, but these are good. And then you just put these in the refrigerator and let them soak. Listen at them babies. They missing their daddy. I'm taking me a couple more out of here before I put the lid on these. So good. Just get saturated with all that. Let me get rid of this. Now, I hope you guys like this video. You know, it's a little, I started to say Christmas. It's not Christmas. 4th of July vlog. I'm not showing you myself today. I am in my pajamas. Don't have a bra on. And I'm just pretty haggard looking. I'm tired. It's Sunday. It's a rest day. I'm doing laundry. I don't know what else I'm going to do today. Probably nothing. I have to work tomorrow. So I hope you like this video. I love you guys very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care. Later.